Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Zainab Liaquat. I'm a freelance textile pattern designer, and this channel is all about textile and surface pattern design. If you want to learn how to use these beautiful digitally painted watercolor motifs to create a seamless textile pattern design in Photoshop, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will show you the whole process step by step in my next video. Now sit back and enjoy the sped up process of my painting. You will see how I use different brushes, colors and techniques to create these realistic watercolor motifs. I hope you find it relaxing and inspiring. Thank you so much for watching my painting process. I hope you liked it and learned something new. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.